Hello everyone, this is Chinmay Vakasya and today I'm going to ask you a question which is, do you know which is the first slok of Bhagavad Gita? Well, your answer is maybe yes or maybe no, that doesn't matter because I'm going to tell you about the first slok of Bhagavad Gita and before that let me just tell you that this video is not scripted at all, so if I make any mistake then please pardon me. And plus one thing is that you may be thinking what this girl is going to tell us about the great Bhagavad Gita because she is not matured. Okay, I'm not looking matured at all, that I also accept. Alright, so and there are so many ways to understand Bhagavad Gita, and I understand Bhagavad Gita's every shlokas in some amusing way or in different way, and every people have their own way to understand. So if you may think that I'm getting wrong this shloka, then also it's fine. If you want to believe in my talks, it's fine. If you don't want to believe, then also it's fine. No pressure will be put on anyone. Dhanyavad. Okay, so starting by the first slok, which is Dhritarashtra Uvacha Dharmakshetre Kurukshetre Samaveta Yuyutsava Mamaka Pandavaschaiva Kima Kurvata Sanjaya, which means Dhritarashtra is asking to Sanjay, who is his driver, you may say, and as everybody knows, Sanjay was having blessing of God that he can see like today's television, that what's happening. He was having so long distance eyes that was very nice. Okay, so Dhritarashtra was asking him that what mine and Pandu's son are doing in Kurukshetra, which is known as also Dharmakshetra, which means about religious and all. If you notice one thing, I stopped between Mamaka and Pandava. Why? Because I wanted to state that Dhritarashtra was doing partiality from between his and Pandu's son. He wasn't ever giving same priority to both of them. Okay, so that was the one thing that I wanted to state. Plus, this is really amusing question asked by Dhritarashtra because everybody knows that Pandavas and Kauravas are get together there in war, so obviously they are not playing the cricket. That's what I just thought while he asked the question. But the second reason was also that Dhritarashtra never wanted a war. You may thinking that he is peace lover or what. No, that's not at all, because he was thinking that there is not any benefit in war for him. Like, if Kauravas are winning the war, then they will get a kingdom which they have already. So there is not any benefit in that. But if Pandavas are winning war, then they will get the kingdom, and which is benefit for Pandavas and lose for Kauravas. So Dhritarashtra was thinking in that way, that he didn't want war happen, and also he wanted to know about the letter which was sent on previous day of war to Yudhishthir, and which is known as Sanjay Vishti, in which he wrote about you are so good people, you are so generous, so war doesn't suit on you. And also he wanted that Pandavas just convinced by them and they don't do war, as he didn't want the war. So that was the thing. And okay, so that's it for now. We will see what Sanjaya's answer in next video. Okay, till then, you enjoy your day, and thank you so much for watching and listening me.